Hello, everyone, and welcome to the staff training on functional analysis. Today's objectives. Today, we will learn how to implement functional behavior assessments through the following conditions: play or control, attention or social positive reinforcement, alone, escape or social negative reinforcement, and tangible reinforcement. During each functional behavior assessment, each interval with your client will consist of 3-minute intervals in multiple different environmental scenarios. The first condition of functional behavior assessment that we will talk about is play or control. The play condition will consist of allowing your client to be in their preferred environment with full access to preferred or high-level reinforcement activities. These examples may include toys, videos, technology, food, drink, etc. Attention is also allowed to be given throughout this phase. During this condition, you will observe the least amount of problem behaviors. Next, we will discuss social positive reinforcement or attention. Problem behaviors often occur with immediate attention from others, which reinforces the behavior, such as a head nod, a look, a laugh, or any of those sorts. During this phase, the client should be surrounded by minimal reinforcers with little to no attention at all. If the problem behavior occurs, the client is allowed to receive attention or reprimand for a short period of time. For the rest of this 3-minute interval, when problem behaviors occur, the staff members will allow for attention and for reprimand. Next, we will discuss the alone condition. During this alone condition, the individual is placed into an environment with little to no stimuli. Practitioners are not present, but is still able to observe the client via camera, window, etc. There will be no demands, reinforcement, or attention during this condition. All problem behaviors that are observed during this condition will be redirected or ignored. This is to establish the function of the behavior without any given stimuli, demand, attention, or reinforcement. The next condition that will be discussed is social negative reinforcement, or otherwise known as escape. In the escape condition, you should have tasks at hand for this 3-minute interval with your client. You will begin this interval by giving the client tasks and providing prompting necessary for these tasks, such as verbal prompts, modeling prompts, or physical prompts. Allowing for escape from this task by withholding the task once a problem behavior will occur. When withholding, remove all prompts, stimuli, and demands until the problem behavior stops. Take data on the problem behavior that occurs throughout this condition. The final condition that will be discussed is tangible reinforcement. Many behaviors occur due to the access in reinforcing materials or other stimuli. For tangible reinforcement condition, the client should be in an environment with the highest or close to highest level of reinforcer activity. After a short period of time, remove this reinforcer with a transition countdown or verbally tell the client that it is your turn with this item. When problem behavior occurs, allow for the client to have access to this reinforcing item for a short period of time. Repeat this process throughout the 3-minute interval and record occurrences of problem behaviors. Now let's recap. The functional analysis intervals consist of 3 minutes. Functional analysis conditions are as followed: play, social positive reinforcement or attention, alone, social negative reinforcement or escape, and tangible reinforcement. If you have any questions about these conditions and would like to have them modeled or further explained to you, contact myself at the number below or contact your client's behavior analyst. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you guys can be able to implement these as best as possible.